Welcome everyone, Greg here with LaserBear, showing off our new CEC Enabler for MiSTer. In your package you will get a USB-C to A cable, a small extension cable that's used in case your port for your HDMI is blocked by your DC power supply, so that you can just use it in conjunction. And then the CEC Enabler itself comes packaged in an anti-static bag. We're just going to pull it out. So for installation of this, you're just going to plug it into the HDMI port on your MiSTer, and then you're going to take your USB-C cable and you're going to plug it into an open USB port on your USB hub. And then last but not least, we're going to plug our HDMI cable in. And we're going to put the TV on the correct source. And in most cases, that's really all that you have to do to get the CEC control to work. I'll let this MiSTer kick on and the TV pick up the signal. Samsung TVs like this one that I've got here, they can sometimes be a little bit finicky and not want to connect. It might require just power cycling the CEC enabler by unplugging and plugging it back in. Sometimes that doesn't take either. And then it might also just take a power cycle of the television. Excuse me. And then there it goes. MiSTer's not liking it though. I didn't get the USB all the way in. And just like that, let me tilt you guys up just a little bit. The TV remote will now control your MiSTer. You can go in and select game. I'm not entirely certain what I've got on this MiSTer. Might have some Genesis games. But then you can go in and load your ROMs. Okay, so I don't have Genesis on here, but you kind of get the idea on what we're doing here. Then you can get back to the main menu and do everything that you would with a keyboard. And that's how the CEC Enabler works on the MiSTer. It's super easy setup. Samsungs are the ones that are kind of finicky with this. Maybe other brands that are rebadged Samsungs are going to have that same issue, but for the most part, this is plug and play. It'll work on your TV. And if you're running into an issue where it's not connecting right away, you might just have to power cycle the TV. We've tested it on a bunch of different brands, but unfortunately, I only have access to a small number of televisions, so it's may or may not have difficulty with brands that we haven't tested yet. Thanks and have a wonderful day.